battle over Iowa's law banning mask mandates in school made it to the federal court this morning. Lawyers for Governor Kim Reynolds are trying to appeal a judge's ruling that allows schools to issue mask mandates during the pandemic. New at noon, KCCI's Amanda Rooker brings us the arguments from both sides. Amanda.
The appeal was heard this morning in the 8th Circuit Court in Omaha. The state is fighting to keep Iowa's law banning mask mandates in schools. It's a law that's been put on hold until the courts make their decision. This morning in court, the state's counsel argued that the injunction blocking Iowa's law is, quote, overbroad and an attempt to overpower state authority. He says the state is, quote, not contending that absolutely no masks should exist and that the law does allow for exceptions when masks are needed. But on the other side, plaintiffs say Iowa's law violates the Americans with Disabilities Act. ARC of Iowa and the ACLU argue that the state needs to tailor their policy to allow students with disabilities to go to school without risk to their health and well-being. Their counsel says, as it stands, the Iowa law doesn't allow for schools to require masks on a case-by-case basis without fearing that they'll lose their accreditation. Now that both sides have been heard, 3 federal judges are deliberating. KCCI will bring you their decision as soon as it comes down.
Thank you, Amanda. Well, the legal battle over mask mandates started not long after the Iowa legislature passed a ban earlier this year. KCCI's Bo Bowman shows us how that law ended up in court today.
Well, Ticia, Governor Reynolds originally signed this ban on mask mandates back in May. It wasn't until September, the start of the school year, that the lawsuit was filed and a temporary injunction was put into place. We heard from parents from all over the state at school board meetings passionately defending their stance on why schools should or shouldn't go back to mandating masks. The issue found itself at the center of many nonpartisan school board races. In some districts, like Waukee, political action committees were formed to campaign on behalf of anti-mask candidates. Governor Reynolds sent us a statement in October saying in part, quote, "We will never stop fighting for the rights of parents to decide what is best for their children and to uphold state laws enacted by our elected legislators." The plaintiffs, ARC of Iowa and the ACLU, say the law violates the Americans with Disabilities Act.
It's a crucial ruling because it protects the kids who are immunocompromised or with disabilities so that they can be protected in school, and it provides for universal masking for school districts that employ it, and that's a way to protect kids.
Attorney and Drake Associate Law Professor Denise Hill says the judge put the injunction in based on his findings, citing the increase in pediatric COVID-19 cases in Iowa, the grave harm that children involved in the case could face, and the public interest at stake. Ticia?